These are the top products that dominated sales on eBay last year. But what about if you could find the top trending and fastest selling items that will dominate eBay in this year? In this video, I'm gonna show you the strategies to dig out this gold mine. So hop in, and before moving into the next part, hit the subscribe. If you want the fastest growing or top trending products to sell on eBay, then you need to understand this marketplace first. Without this understanding, it will be difficult to get a clear vision to predict the right product. Fear not, I'll not tell you to dive deep into eBay's algorithm or listing optimization. Rather, you need to understand two basic things. Number one, who are the core customers of eBay? And number two, what type of products sell here the most? These two questions are interrelated. If you can identify who are the customers of eBay, what are their taste, preference, spending, financial behavior, age, gender, hobbies, and some other factors, then you can get a clear idea of what type of products dominate here the most. Let me tell you, eBay shoppers are those who want a good quality item with a minimum budget. I think you already know people can sell used items on eBay, and the marketplace is filled with these items all around. Now let's see how to find top trending products to sell on eBay for high profit in 2025. Do you know that eBay has product research tool to look at high sell-through rate items? Many sellers struggle to research deeply enough to find items that actually move instead of sitting in their stores for years. So I'm gonna show you how to find these high demand products. Let's join the screen. From the eBay Seller Hub, we need to click on this tab called Research. This is the tool formerly known as Terapeak to do product research for eBay. Now, here you will find two sections. One is product research, the other one is sourcing insights. First, we are going to see product research. Select the marketplace from here. For the USA marketplace, simply select ebay.com. Then mention the time length. Do you need data for last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 6 months or a year? Let's have it 90 days. Now in the search box, you can give keywords or product ID. I'm going to type one of my favorite items, which is PS5 console. Select the category from here. Now category is video game console, then apply. Now, these are some filters to narrow down the search. The first one is item condition. Here we have new, open box, excellent refurbished, very good refurbished, used, and for parts or not working. Then there is format filter. Is it fixed priced, best offer, accepted, or auction? Next, we have a price filter. You can give a price range from here. If you wish to see results for only top rated listings, you need to use this filter. Then there are more filters here. Here we have buyer locations, seller locations, brand, color, connectivity, model, platform, etc. etc. Then there are some data. The average sold price is $617.36. The sold price range is between $1.61 to over $13,000. The average postage is over $56. That means sellers charge this amount for shipping the item. 57% of the sellers offering free shipping for it. The sell-through rate is over 33%. It means that out of every 100 items listed for sales, 33 items are sold within this period. It's impressive. There are over 4,000 sellers sold this item. This graph shows the sales trends. If you scroll down, these are the individual sellers who are sold this item. Like this seller has sold 260 consoles in the last 3 months. His average sold price is $193.75 and he has generated over $50,000 of revenue in the 3 months with this item only. So if we measure the sell-through rate and item sales for individual sellers, We can guess this item is really getting sales on eBay. Now let's see for used console. Just adjust this filter and apply. Wow, the sell-through rate is increased. Now it's over 37%, which is a good ratio. Over 2000 individuals have sold used consoles. So now I have a good idea of what this item is worth. This is how you can do product research using eBay tool to find what is really selling. It's a really great feature. Now we are going to see sourcing insights. First, select the marketplace. After that, go to top categories tab. You can see it on card view or table view. Let's stay on card view. Then open this menu and select top opportunities. So this thing shows us the categories. The top opportunities over here, you can see coats, jackets and vests. Then we have video game consoles. We have already seen data for PS5 console. These two have great opportunity. Then we have action figures, cell phones, smartphones. Then again we have coats, jackets and vests. This time it's for men. The previous one was for women. And then comic and graphic novels, dolls and doll playsets. These are good opportunities. There are also some other categories. Here you can see sell-through rate and see the active listing, search volume and search to list ratio. You'll see one thing in common: cell phones, smartphones and video game consoles are always number one. Action figures are really trending. Athletic shoes also do well. This is how you research and look stuff to see what is actually selling, what is actually moving, and how to pay attention to trends. You can take these categories, click on them, and analyze them over time. For example, you can look at items like jackets for men and see what is selling best across all conditions. You can dive deep into this data repeatedly, exploring it thoroughly, and it's crazy how much insights you can gain. That's how you use the research tool, especially the sourcing insight tool, which was previously known as Terapeak and is now called product research. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Take some time to familiarize yourself with this tool and learn it, love it, and make the most out of it. If you need any help regarding selling your item on eBay, you can contact us. Send an email at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you next time. Thanks for watching.